Hi, today I'm gonna show you 3 simple but elegant puzzles by Hanayama. The first puzzle is called Loop, and the aim of this puzzle is to disassemble it. And now we need to assemble this puzzle. Let's try to rotate it. But the puzzle is not solved. From this side it looks like it's solved, but from this side it's definitely not solved. Let's try again. And again it's not solved. And here is the solution. The puzzle is solved. Let's try again. The second puzzle is called Diamond. We need to disassemble it. And now we need to assemble this puzzle. We have 2 identical pieces and we need to assemble this puzzle. Let's try to move it like this. To put this black piece inside the silver one. But nothing will happen. Let's try to put the silver one inside the black one. And again it doesn't work. And here is the solution. And the last puzzle is called Love. We have 2 identical pieces and we need to combine them. Let's try to put silver one inside the gold one. You can put it like this, but it's stuck. You can try to put it like this, but nothing will happen. And here is the solution. We need to put one piece inside another one and rotate it. The puzzle is solved. As you can see, all these puzzles are solved by rotation. Subscribe my channel to see more beautiful puzzles.